welcome back to my channel. So I think from title you already know that it is going to be a day in my life vlog. So if you're wondering why am I looking so ugly right now, it is obviously because I just woke up and I haven't done anything to my face or my hair. And disclaimer, please don't judge me.
One eternity later.
Hi, I'm back. So I know I just went from morning look to suddenly glam look, but I just took a shower and got freshed up. So I'm really hungry right now. I don't know, I feel like making pancakes for breakfast. I love pancakes, so I'm thinking of making them right now. I don't really know how to, but my mom is like willing to help me. So the next clip would be me eating pancakes. I was like playing with this my tops and it's cool, right? Like. Anyways, I'm done with my breakfast. It was good as like at least I loved it. And then now I have my online lectures every day. It's such a pain and so boring to attend those lectures, but करना पड़ता है. Anyways, I'll be having a break in an hour or so, so I'll catch up with you guys then and show what I usually do. Done with my lectures and lunch. I did not shoot it because it wasn't really something interesting, and got into some comfortable clothes because those were too fancy and I don't really wear those on a daily basis. So back to my regular self, black. And I'm really bored right now. I wanted to do something productive. I do think about doing something productive every day and end up doing nothing, and I just watch Netflix. So yeah. And also I don't even have anything to watch on Netflix. I think I've covered everything on Netflix. Like I binge watch it so much, like all the day, that I have no more series to watch. So if you have any recommendations, please to put it in the comment section so that I have something new to watch. I would love that. And I think I might study. I have some assignments to complete, so I think I'll study.
Five minutes later.
So I woke up from my afternoon nap and I did a little bit of makeup retouch, and I'm sitting right now in my balcony just chilling, listening to songs, and this is kind of my peace time. I usually drink coffee at this time and it is a ritual. I cannot go on without drinking my coffee, but I'll show you my cup. I love this marble cup, and coffee is one of my favorite drinks, you can say. Are you a coffee person or tea person? So my mom suggested that we should make momos for dinner. I'm quite excited for that. I haven't made those before, like it's my first time, and I think it would be really great if those turn out great. Then I can always eat those at home. So probably next footage would be of me trying to make momos. So I'll catch up with you guys then. So finally we are done making the momos and we are going to make some more afterwards, and this is the Szechuan chutney which my mom helped me make, and I'm so glad I could make it at home now, and I'll show you the after products really soon. Done with my dinner and it was quite yummy and everyone in my family really loved it. It was a lot of work though, but I think it was worth it at the end if everyone liked it. And I think I'm going to end this vlog on this note, and I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions regarding the challenges you would like me to do, you can put it down in the comment section. I would be reading those. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.